So you want to make money with TikTok clipping, but you don't have a TikTok account with over 10K followers? Well, keep watching this video because I'm going to be showing you guys a clipping campaign that will pay you money. And you could have 10 followers, 1,000 followers. It does not matter at all, because I know it is very difficult to get an account over 10K followers like this one. I have over 62,000 followers, but it took me a year and a half to build this page. So I'm going to show you guys a clipping campaign on how you can make money today. This clipping campaign is on WAP and it is by Rekka, and you can clip for Kai and Speed, and this is a dope opportunity for us clippers to make some money. And if you haven't heard about Rekka, who is funding this campaign, it is an AI powered workspace that helps creators turn long videos into shorts, insights, trends, and create content faster. And so this is the tool you're going to be using when you make these clips for Kai and Speed. And as you can see right here, you get paid $2 per 1,000 views. So this is a very great opportunity to make some money on the side when you don't have 10K followers. So I'm going to walk you guys through this entire campaign. So make sure to click the WAP link down below and you can follow me along. When you click start here, it is going to say about Rekka, how to find clips to edit. And of course, when you find the clips to edit, there is a dedicated assets section to include all the raw files. And of course, for payment, it's going to be based on views your clip generates. And of course, you're going to create a clip, post on social media, then you're going to submit it to the content reward section in WAP. So down here, let's click Kai and Speed clips. And as you can see, only $595 has been paid out of this $3,500. So there's still a lot of funding left in this campaign. And so the next most important thing to make sure you pay attention to is the requirements, because if you miss one of these things, then you're not going to get paid on your clip. So of course, the first thing is you want to make sure you tag Rekka for creators on TikTok or Instagram, depending on the platform that you're posting on. Of course, no botting, no engagement baiting, minimum 5,000 views required to get paid out. Content cannot be low effort. You must attach link to clip videos to make sure captions is enabled. And so this link right here, creator.rekka.ai, I have linked down below, and this is the tool you're going to want to use when you add captions to your videos. If you don't use this tool, then you're not going to get paid, and you must leave the Rekka watermark on when using the clipping tool. And of course, this is the main part here, because this is how Rekka is going to get more attention to their clipping model. And of course, down here is all the different assets. So this first link is towards Rekka, so you could click this right here to get to Rekka, or you could use the link down below, whichever y'all prefer. Guidelines and directions. So this is going to tell you all the different guidelines and directions that you must do, and I could read it through you guys right here. So the directions, you can clip anything as long as it has Kai or Speed in it. Try to find the latest videos of them for to go viral. If you don't know where to start, you can choose our clips here. After using a segment from the above stream, you must use this Rekka AI clipping tool to clip with the watermark turned on, as I've showed you guys before. And of course, if you didn't know, this tool is completely free. And as you can see, really important, if you do not use the Rekka AI clipping tool with the watermark and captions turned on, your submission will not count. And of course, you must tag Rekka on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, whichever platform you're posting on. And of course, the guidelines I already read to you guys are right here, that make sure you just read through to make sure you're all good to go. This third link right here is a Google Doc form, and this is just a verification form for when you post your first clip. So make sure you fill this out, show your video analytics towards your clip. And really, you just want to do this because there's a lot of scammers out there, so just make sure you verify everything. And of course, the Google Drive link, which has everything in here that you can choose from to clip for. So you can watch through these clips, see what you think would be the most engaging to clip for.
I got to fight, fall, scratch, fight, whatever to keep mine. I got to keep it. I got to do what I got to do. I don't want to be alone. I'm an only child, single parent household.
I really like this clip right here. So this is what I'm going to clip. So what we are going to do is we are going to download this video file, and then we're going to upload it into Rekka. So of course, make sure you just click the three dots right here and then click download. And then when you're in Rekka, make sure you're signed into your account, and then you can upload your file into here. Or you could enter a YouTube video if you want to use Rekka for other things regarding clipping that's not regarding the WAP campaign. You can also do that. But for this instance, we're going to be uploading this file. And in this case, I'm just going to say don't clip, add captions only. And of course, make sure you have the captions feature turned on. And then all of this you could choose to your own liking. But for this instance, I just want captions added only, so I'm going to be doing that. Now everything's loaded. We now have the clip that I asked just for captions only. So now we can go to edit timeline if we want to change anything regarding captions. So we can go to the captions feature right here. We can edit the spelling or anything like that, or styling. And you can also trim your video, which I'm going to do right here because there is a little bit of dead space here at the beginning. And so I want to change the caption color a little bit. So for the base color, I'm going to select yellow. Stroke color we can change, which I'm just going to keep at black. Highlight color, we're going to change to white. And then of course there's 4 different fonts you can choose from. I like the look of this font a little better. And I'm going to select medium, select default, and then I'm going to select middle for the position since it'll look better on TikTok.
I got to do what I got to do. I don't want to be alone. I'm an only child.
So now it looks like this clip is ready to go, and we can customize it more in TikTok with adding a title card. So let's download this video and get this into the TikTok application on our phone. And of course, when you click export, make sure the show watermark feature is on, because again, the only way you're going to get paid is if this feature is turned on. So we can download this now and get it posted. I now have the video pulled up on my phone in Google Drive. So now I'm going to download this to my camera roll. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to 3 dots, send a copy, and then save video, and it'll save to your camera roll. So I have this random streamer clip account that I have, and of course it has 148 followers, and we can still make some money. So I'm gonna get this clip uploaded here in TikTok.
I know I don't want to be alone. That's for damn sure.
So we're gonna optimize this clip as much as possible. We're gonna add a background music. We're gonna add a title card.
I know I don't want to be alone. That's for damn.
So I added a soundtrack that is a little bit sad because it's LeBron James talking about how he doesn't want to end up alone. So we're going to keep it like that. And now we're going to add a title card. And I'm going to add LeBron James does not want to be alone. And I'm going to change the font here. I don't really much care for that font. And we're going to add that title card about right underneath the captions. So now it looks like this clip is good to go. So now we're going to make a caption in the description. And we can just put LeBron doesn't want to be a loner, something like that. And now we are going to tag Rekka. So make sure you go to users, Rekka for creators. Make sure you tag them. The watermark is on the video. And so I think that's really it. Now we can just add our own hashtags like FYP, hashtag LeBron James, and anything else to your liking. Of course, when you post on your phone, you have up to 5 hashtags, so you want to choose very carefully. So we want to get this clip posted, and once we do that, once it hit 5,000 views, you then want to submit all of your information right here so you are verified with Rekka and WAP. Let's get this clip posted. And of course, when you get your clip posted, you want to click submit here in the bottom right. You want to copy and paste the link to your TikTok video, and then you want to upload the original file here so they know you're real and not a bot. So make sure you upload the media here and then click submit, and then you're all good to go. So I'm curious how this clip's going to do, because I haven't posted on this streaming clip page in a while. But if y'all stay consistent with this for this streaming campaign, there's some good opportunity there, because as you can tell, LeBron, Kai, Speed, people like that are very popular. If y'all have any questions regarding this clipping campaign at all, let me know down below, and I'd love to help as much as I can. Or you can go to the Rekka Clips chat here, ask any questions to the people that are in this community, or you can go to your support chat with the moderator of this campaign, and they can help as much as they can. And once you get started, once you start putting out more clips, I'd love to hear your guys' earnings and views with this right here. I also have a free Discord community in the description down below where we can all give free value to each other, help each other out with different clipping campaigns. So if you're interested, make sure you join that, again, completely for free. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you guys want me to review any other clipping campaigns out there that are on WAP or any other different apps, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.